What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another product review. This time we're going to be looking at the 15.6 inch screen from the company C-Force. This is a portable display with stereo speakers. Let's check it out. So first thing I want you to notice is when you get this is the actual box that you're going to get for this device. And this is another thing that you get with this device. Now this is basically just a tote. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this open. Just going to pop it open just like that. So this is a carrying case that you get. It's made out of like a felt material, and you're gonna be able to just slide that screen down in there. So nice little carrying case, Velcro, and you got your C-Force logo right there on there. Nothing on the back. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, let's get this bad boy unboxed.
Some of the old songs.
So here we go, guys. This is everything you actually get in the box. So we have our screen right here. We're going to talk about that a little bit more in detail once we get everything else covered. You got your power adapter right here. It's going to plug into the wall, providing all your power. You got USB Type-C. Now this is the specific C-Force cable that comes with this device. You got to use this at all times. Notice this is USB Type-C. So you got a C to C. You have a USB to C, and this is a braided cable. You have another USB to USB, and you got your instructions right here, and you get this nice stand in the back. So let's get the paper off of this. And let's talk a little bit more about this screen right here. So now that we got everything else out of the way with this screen, the accessories, everything that comes in the box, let's take a look at the screen and the real estate itself. So you got a 15.6 inch 3K IPS USB Type-C portable monitor. Right here on the sides, you get all your buttons, your power, your brightness. You get a headphone jack right here. You get lightning cable over here. And then you flip it onto the other side. You have two USB 2.0 and another lightning adapter over here. So you have different multi-resolutions due to the Mac and the Windows OS. The C2 Android app that's going to help you to change your resolution with a mobile phone, which supports 3K 30 Hertz and 1080p at 60 Hertz. So you got the latest technology in here. This supports power delivery. It allows you to fast charge your main device when connected to a PD adapter, which is a power delivery adapter, which we're going to plug into the wall, but we have a power delivery adapter right here that we're going to test out as well. And it pairs perfectly with laptops, with iPads, with the Nintendo Switch. Yes, I said Nintendo Switch. We're going to be connecting that, and it's basically just a dope screen. So the company C-Force is basically saying that this is going to work with all types of devices, such as tablets, Nintendos, phones, iPads, etc., whatever. Now that's why we are here today. We're going to be testing this out. So one of these ports is the power, which is over here. Let me show you. Power port right there, a little lightning. So we're going to hook this up to a PD portable battery. This one is 45 watts, and we have the actual adapter. So I actually got this device plugged in and it's on. Got your LED light on down here. Now we actually just have to try this out. So first thing we want to do is make sure that it's going to work with our Nintendo Switch. So right here, I got my Nintendo Switch, and in order for it to work, you have to take your Joy-Con off. So that's what they're saying, but I want to try it with it on, and then I'm going to try it off. So sit Nintendo down. I'm going to use the USB to USB that was provided, so USB-C to C. And guys, this is a very lightweight device. This thing is going to weigh in about 1.7 pounds. So not heavy at all. You can put this in any bag. It's just like a same size as a standard laptop. Now, when it's on, there's nothing on the screen. Plug it in. And let's see. There we go. So right away, nothing is working. Except for the volume. I can turn volume up and down, but controls are not working. So you are going to have to take these off, and then they repair, and there you go. Now we are working. So you got a full screen Nintendo Switch right here. You can give your friend a controller. You guys can sit down and play. Take this out of your bag, and you are good to go. So basically, you just got a monitor right here. So colors look good. I've turned the background lights off. Colors really look good on it. Everything matches up. It sounds good. And since you have that 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, you can actually plug in some speakers on the side. And everything is handling well. There's no lag. I'm doing everything in real time. Everything looks good. Everything is playing well. Everything is handling. I really like this screen. So moving right along, the next thing I want to try one of my favorite devices. I want to see if I can mirror my iPad. And we probably know that we're not going to get a full screen mirror on here, even if it does work. But there we go. So we still got issue over here. So if we want to watch a movie or anything, and it's, let's see. There we go. So we have no lag, which is a great thing. But still, if you want to watch in this full screen ratio, you really can't, because this is all that it's going to give you. So as mentioned earlier, there should be a app that you can download, and I've looked through the Android Play Store as well as the Apple App Store, and the C-Tools app does not really exist. So I'm going to actually be reaching out to the developers of this product to get more information about that, just so I can bring you the best. And when I find out how we can get this iPad in the full screen mode, because it says it should be able to do that and it can't do that, I will be back to let you guys know how that works. But as of right now, the screen is still fluid, but you are only going to get this ratio right here, this screen ratio, when you connect your iPad. So last device that I'm going to try, I'm going to disconnect from my iPad. Last one I'm going to try is my newest, the Nintendo Switch Lite, because you know the Nintendo Switch Lite as of right now has no way to hook up to any screen whatsoever. So I want to see if this is going to actually work. So got it connected and nothing. So they actually rigged this device so that it would not connect to any other screen whatsoever. Not sure how Nintendo did it, but they did it. So it's not coming up. We know the regular Nintendo Switch was able to show, but the Nintendo Switch Lite is a bust and it's not working.
So something else that's notable when you're looking at YouTube videos, if you look down at my Note 10 Plus and this screen right here, colors seem to be a little washed out, but that's really to be expected because the screen quality on that Note 10 is way higher than the screen quality on this C-Force monitor.
So even when you disconnect this from its power source, you're going to be able to use this with your bigger devices, such as your Galaxy Note 10 Plus and your iPad Pro. It's going to draw power from them, and it's going to allow you to use this without a cable. But if you want to use your Nintendo Switch, you have to plug in order to do that. You're going to need a PD power source or a wall power outlet.
So the last thing that we actually want to do is I want to test out a portable charger. So right here, I have a 45 watt PD charger right here. I'm going to unplug. and I'm gonna plug into this and make sure it comes on. So it is on, all 4 lights lit up. The screen down here is on. Now, this is portable. You don't have to be plugged into the wall. We want to make sure that we get a real portable experience. And I got my Nintendo Switch right here, and I'm gonna plug in, taking these out. And there we go. So you actually get a true portable experience with this screen. You're going to be able to use your portable PD charger, and this is from the company Omars. So I got a review coming out on this pretty soon. But portable PD charger that's 45 watts, 20,000 milliamp hours. You got PD charging that's going to allow you to play this screen on the go no matter where you are. If you don't mind a few wires, you're going to be good to go. So this is it, guys. This is the C-Force 3K IPS display screen, 15.6 inch. You're going to be able to pick one of these up on Amazon for about $150. And I think it's a pretty decent buy, seeing that you're going to be able to now take your Nintendo Switch and other devices on the go, and you're going to be able to play games that you normally wouldn't have been able to play right here on a very large screen. So like I mentioned, I'm going to be reaching out to the company to check out the app that they spoke of. So I just got this in, so give me some time. I'm going to check that app out and see if it actually exists. Hopefully it does. And then I'm going to be able to come back and hopefully we can get the iPad to have a full screen display, or somewhat of a full screen display on this device. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.